Guys, as you could see, this is our first trade, right? But the reason why we took this, it's because you could see there's two candles in a row and I have used margin of safety, okay? And this trade is a short shot, beautiful. And we use flag mode also for this type of trading, okay? I'm going to explain some more about this strategy in the next trade. Okay guys, this is a beautiful trade right here. As you could see, we have two candles in a row and we have a huge margin of safety. Okay, so margin of safety helps save the trades even when you're about to lose the trade. Okay, and guys, about this strategy, it's very crucial to understand that in the financial markets, you need to understand the philosophy behind each strategy. And in my Telegram, I will be teaching you guys all the philosophy behind my strategies for free. And I will give you guys a free money management. So, guys, you see that margin of safety helps save that trade. I have a secret that I will share with you guys in this strategy. So, stay tuned to the end of the video. Guys, this is another opportunity. With this strategy, I love it, guys. As you can see, it's so easy to find opportunities. Pay attention to this side, guys. 1 2 green, 1 2 green, 1 2 red, 1 2 green, right? 1 2 red, and this trade is going to be a winning trade also. Beautiful. So you guys could see how easy it is to find opportunity with this strategy, and we are going to look for our next trade. All right, guys, this is very crucial too. As you can see, we're using a huge margin of safety, right? This means even if the candle closes as a doji, because a lot of time dojis make you lose trades in the milliseconds. Even if this candle closes as a red candle, the margin of safety saves us. So we combine other reasons also with our strategy. And as you can see, guys, this trade is going to be a win. And we're going to look for our next. Okay, guys, so this will be the secret of this strategy, guys, that I promised to tell you, right? So basically, guys, what we're doing is each time we see two candles in a row, but the first candle is smaller than the second candle, then the strategy of a higher win rate. Okay, if you pay attention right here, 1 2, and there's a red candle. Yes, it won, but this candle and this candle are the same size, so it's a little bit risky, right? But it works. As you could see, 1 2 worked, 1 2 worked, 1 2 worked. So each time we have two candles in a row, it reverses. Okay, and this trade is a winning trade. Guys, see how perfect this strategy is. That's what I'm telling you guys. Once it have the small and big concept with the two candle, the win rate becomes higher, right? And you could use margin of safety to save your trade. So guys, this will be the end of this session. Stay tuned for the next video, and please remember to practice all these strategies with a free demo account, which you could use the link in the description to create a free demo account and pocket option. And if you choose to deposit, you could get 50% bonus on your deposit, whichever amount you can afford. When after you have practiced the strategy, you could get your bonus and your money and make some money and change your life and retire from your job. So guys, until the next video, peace out.